Creating mnemonic devices is highly effective for memorization. For example, using acronyms like ROY-GBIV to remember the colors of the rainbow. Additionally, chunking information into smaller, manageable parts helps the brain process and retain it more effectively. Active engagement with the material is key. Techniques such as spaced repetition, where information is revisited at increasing intervals, optimize long-term memory retention. Visualization, creating mental images or mind maps, connects and organizes complex concepts for easier recall. Integrating multisensory learning experiences enhances comprehension. Combining reading with listening to recorded lectures improves memory retention. Teaching others the material reinforces understanding and improves retention through explanation and discussion. While mnemonic devices and chunking help with basic memorization, active engagement techniques like spaced repetition and